creating a customer refund and partially applying it to a prepayment. We're going to create a customer refund and partially apply it to a prepayment to record an unused amount of the prepayment. To complete this process, we'll first create a customer refund and then apply it to a prepayment. To begin with, open the Payments and Applications form and create a new customer refund document. You can change the post date to match your requirements. In this example, we will keep the current date. Next, let's select the customer for whom you need to process the refund. If required, you can change the location and payment method fields as per your requirements. Remember to select a check account in the cash account field. Add the refund amount in the payment amount field. Next, add a description. And save your customer refund document. We will now apply the customer refund to a prepayment. In the Documents to Apply tab, add a new row. Select Prepayment in the Document Type field and, in the Reference Number field, select the correct prepayment amount. Click the Save icon. Click the Release button to release the application. In the Summary area, notice that the customer refund retains the open status, and the available balance of the refund reduces by the prepayment amount.